Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create or update Mailercloud subscriber on Typeform submission. So here, as I am managing a marketing agency, I am capturing the leads for this agency with the help of Typeform. So I have already created an inquiry form for all my services with the help of Typeform, and I've also attached it on my website. Now my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through this form submission who is interested in my services, I directly want to add that lead as a subscriber in Mailercloud. That is my email marketing application. Now to automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between Typeform and Mailercloud, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that let me take you all towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step that how we can automatically create subscribers in Mailercloud for Typeform responses. So I'm running a marketing agency and I'm capturing the leads for my business with the help of Typeform. So I have already created the form over here with some details and I've already attached it on my website. So I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new form response, when a client is going to visit my website, they're going to submit this form, automatically that client should be added as a subscriber in my Mailercloud account so that I will be able to send them email campaigns in personalized format to convert them into payable customers and to follow up them. Alright, now to automate the entire process, we have to set up the connection between Typeform and Mailercloud, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now quickly. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As a dialog boxes appear in front of us, it is first of all asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Create or update Mailercloud subscriber on Typeform submission. After giving the name, I'm going to select the folder. So the automation which I'm going to create currently is related to lead management. So automations for lead management will be my folder. In the similar manner, you can also create separate folders for different kind of workflows. Now let's click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two windows. Here we have trigger and we have action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new form submission in Typeform, automatically the person who has submitted the form should be added as a subscriber in Mailercloud. So for that, let's suppose I'm going to take Typeform in trigger and Mailercloud in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through Typeform, then only that lead will be added in Mailercloud, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, we will select our trigger application, and that will be Typeform. After selecting the application, then we have to select the trigger event. So our trigger event over here will be new entry. Whenever a new entry will be made in Typeform, then the response will be captured and we are going to receive that response inside Pabbly Connect instantly to start the workflow. Let's click on connect now. For building the connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, you can see I am already logged into my Typeform account. We have two options over here: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, just go with that quickly. I'm going to show you that how you have to create a new one. So we have selected add new connection and now we have to click on connect with Typeform. Now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Typeform account. The data is 100% safe with it, so let's click on accept quickly without any fear. As we have done that, you can see that our authorization has become successful and the connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect is built. So now we have to select the specific form on the submission which you want to capture the response. You could have multiple forms in your Typeform account, but you have to select the specific one so that when that form will be submitted, then only the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. The specific form I have created is inquiry form for my marketing agency. So here I have selected that same. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button and it is showing waiting for response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply submitting the form which we have recently connected. So we have already connected this form and I'm going to go towards share option. You can see we have the shareable link of the form. So I'm going to simply copy it. I will open it in a new tab. And you can see that the form is open in front of us. So now in front of you, I'm going to submit this form with some dummy details. As I will do that, the response will be captured. And with that response, we will complete our automation. So let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the person who is submitting this form is Amazing Lead. Okay. Then let's say the email of this person is amazing234@pabblytudes.com. Let's say the phone number is of India and the phone number is this. Now I'm going to click on OK. It is asking us the age. So let's say this is the age. Now we have to select the service in which the person is interested. So let's say I'm selecting SEO. I'm going to submit the form. And now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect. And you can see that the response is already captured. So as the response is received, here we have received all the details. Let's start reading them one by one. So first of all, we have the token, we have the date and time at which the form is submitted. When we'll scroll down more, here we have the questions and now we have the answer. So we have the type of service which the person has selected. We have the age. Over here, we have the email address, we have the name, we have the other details as well. This means our connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time the form will be submitted by a new client, the response is going to be captured. Now our objective is to create this client as a subscriber in Mailercloud. For that, now we have to build the connection between Mailercloud and Pabbly Connect. For that, let's go towards our action step. Let us select our action application as Mailercloud. And then we have to select the action event. So our action event will be to create or update a subscriber. My objective is not just to create the subscriber, but I want if the lead is already an existing subscriber of my Mailercloud account, then it should be updated automatically. So here my action event will be to create or update a subscriber. Let's click on connect. For building this connection, you can see we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. But I'm going to show you that how you have to build a new one. For building this new connection, you have to get the API key, which you're going to get by logging to your Mailercloud account. Over here it is saying that you can get your API key when you will go towards the account section, then integrations and click on API integration. So here because I'm already logged in, I will directly click on this hyperlink API integrations and I'm going to click on this create API key button. The name of my key is, let's say, test key. I'm going to click on generate key button. And here you can see that the key is ready. I'm going to click on OK. We have the key. I will simply copy it. We will paste it over here and done. Let's click on save quickly. As we have done that, the connection between Mailercloud and Pabbly Connect is built. So now we have to enter the details in these fields to create the subscriber. First of all, it is asking us the list in which we want to add the subscriber. So here we have multiple lists. I am going to select, let's say, website leads because I have attached the Typeform on my website and I want that when the form will be submitted through website, I'm going to receive the response and to those leads only I want to add. Then here it is asking us the email. So email of the person is already received in our earlier response. When I'm going to search it, you can see here we have directly we will insert it from the previous step only, and as we have done that, we have mapped this email. This means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So every time a new form will be submitted in Typeforms by a new lead, automatically this email is going to replace. Now it is asking us the first name, last name, middle name, etc. And we have not received the first name and last name separately, as you know. So in that case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply split this name. To split the name, I will go back, I will click on this add action step button in between, and I will select text formatter, which is going to help us to format the text in the workflows according to our requirements. And split text will be our action event. Let's click on connect. It is asking us which text you want to split. I want to split the name of my client. So I have mapped that. And now as I've mapped this, as I told you, it is going to replace automatically with every new response. Now we have to enter the separator by using which value you want to split this name. I just want to use the space which I have between first name and last name. So if you want to use the space, it is saying in the instructions you have to use the same format. I will copy and paste it over here. Then it is asking us which segment of this text you want, first, last, or all. I want both first name and last name, so all will be my segment index. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and here we have the name. I will directly map it now, and I will map the last name as well. If you have received the middle name as well, you can map that as well. Now we have to enter the phone number. Let's map that. I have not received the city and other details, so I'm going to ignore these fields and I will directly click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, here we have received the response. So now I'm going to take you towards Mailercloud. Here we have the option of audience. We have the lists. We will select the list which we have connected with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see we have the subscriber with the name as Amazing. This means our connection between Typeform and Mailercloud is absolutely successful. So now you can very easily create this amazing automation step by step by connecting these applications with each other to add your Typeform responses directly towards Mailercloud. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.